So our question says to put 5 and 438 thousandths, 543 thousandths, and 54 and 38 hundredths in order from least to greatest. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down my decimals, and I'm going to line up the decimals as I am doing that. You can see that I am doing everything carefully so that I can make sure that my decimals are in a line. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my extra spaces with zeros. I can do that because it does not change the value of the number. Then I'm going to start looking at each individual column. Here I have a 0, and a 5. Well, that helps me out because that tells me that 54 and 38 hundredths is my biggest number. And when I am putting them in order from least to greatest, it tells me that 54 and 38 hundredths is going to go here because it is my greatest number. I'm finished with it and I can mark it out. Now I can look at my 5 and my 0, and that tells me that this number 5 and 438 thousandths is the second number because it is the second least or almost the greatest. I'm finished with it. I can mark it out. And then I know that this number is my least. It is 543 thousandths. Now my numbers are arranged from least to greatest.